What kind, if I don't know what it is, what kind of juice am I getting? Pickle juice?
I know that the ones that have little red dots on them are the ones are good. Yeah. So, but I can find them.
Okay, you ready? The one that's closest to you.
No, I'm not ready.
You know, in stores.
It smells like cough syrup.
And those
I don't want it. You can't do this to me.
I told you
fire thing.
that it wouldn't
Initial
taste, wouldn't
smell.
smell good.
What?
Sorry.
It's like NyQuil in the fridge. I'm pretty sure our grandparents put NyQuil in the fridge.
Alright.
What kind of juice again?
Oh, by the way, everyone's
Okay.
come over and watch football.
Bottoms up. I think it is NyQuil.
If that's okay. Okay. Alright. Talk to you later.
Yum!
You like it? What is it?
Like really tasty cough syrup.
Really tasty cough syrup. What if there's drugs in that?
They probably.
I don't know why there would be drugs in that, but
If I get tired for work, I'll know.
What was
Oh. They're like
it's
kick to that
alcohol or something.
Last sip. Whew.
Is it?
There was a kick to that last sip.
Oh.
I think there is a little bit of alcohol in there.
Random glass bottles in the
Oh,
fridge.
You never know what you're gonna get in there.
I know. Like, doesn't this smell like cough syrup?
Yeah, it does.
It's like alcoholic cough syrup.
Yeah. It does. It smells
Grandpa's
just like
spicing
NyQuil.
his cough syrup up, ladies and gentlemen.
Just like NyQuil.
Yep. That's,
Is it tasty though?
That's the second person that said that tastes like or smells like NyQuil.
Yeah, it does. I smelled it in the bottle. It smelled different.
Are you ready?
That's weird.
I know, isn't it?
What is that?
I don't know. I think Grandpa's spiking his NyQuil. I'm pretty sure.
Alcohol in it, but it's not very strong.
Maybe a homemade brandy,
And it
maybe?
tastes like
A little bit of plum.
boysenberry syrup at the restaurant. That's what I'm gonna go with.
With a very NyQuil smell. Yes, the NyQuil drink. Okay, that's a new word, NyQuil. So when you come over to the fridge, she has to close her eyes. Yeah, I see that.
I forgot.
Okay. So in the fridge, there's a lot of things I could do very mean to you. Now that I'm looking. Eyes closed.
Mhm.
I could do this.
This is hard to keep your eyes closed.
This is a killer. Ladies and gentlemen, do you think she would like that? I could. Everybody got to have a little bit in their diet. If you don't, your bones will break.
You just gave that away.
Because you're not getting it. I think I will start her off right from the beginning. I don't know if people could read that. Okay, I'm going to get out of the way. Eyes closed. Okay, show your drink off to the camera.
Ah, sorry, I didn't look.
All right.
Oh, what is that? It smells weird, like fruity.
She's very picky about her food. She has to have food like a set way. So this is like hitting her.
I hate this.
This is her comfort zone right here.
Ooh. Is it like some sort of weird fruit juice? Why is there lots of fruit in our... But it's watery. I don't know.
Finish it.
I'm like, I don't know if I want to. I don't want to finish it.
You don't want to finish it? Okay, what is your
It's
guess?
not bad, but tastes like watered down fruit juice. But what kind of fruit? I want to say some type of berry.
Okay. You were actually really close.
That's all I got.
It's actually vitamin water, pomegranate flavor.
Oh yeah, I don't like vitamin water. That makes sense.
Okay.
What is that?
Eyes closed. Turn that way. Thank you. You knew which way to turn.
No, I didn't. I just guessed.
I've prepared this amazing tonic.
Did you mix stuff together?
No, I did not.
Okay.
You almost seen it.
What?
You turned towards me.
But my eyes are closed, though.
Before I give it to her, I will taste test this.
It's kind of sweet. Just drink it.
She can't. This is hitting.
Like that's like it's like Fear Factor. You can't.
It's like Fear Factor. You can like see the hackles on the back of her neck standing up as she does this.
It's a type of milk.
Okay.
Oh, is that regular milk? Like, is that whole milk? I think it is. I taste the fat. Is that it?
No.
Is it Raylux?
What?
I should have done that. Should have done Maylon.
Oh, shoot.
Is it buttermilk?
I wish. I would have drank it.
It's really sweet,
What's your guess?
but it's not watery like an oat milk or like almond milk. Oh my god, it's regular milk. You might put it in your coffee.
Oh!
Creamer?
Yep. Your mom's face.
That's
Oh!
weird to drink by itself. Hope you guys enjoyed our random taste testing event, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!
Bye.
Oh, and I asked them what that stuff was, that syrup, by the way. And I guess Kirk makes it, and they have people who actually request it every single year around Christmas time for them to make it. Stop messing with it, it's fine. So, my poor car, there's a bunch of stuff breaking. So, the radio lights went out, and then this thing, I've always locked my doors, but it seems like it's like being pried up, or like somebody tried to break in and hotwire my car or something, I don't know. So we have to go to the car doctor here soon. For Halloween, we're a little behind, so we're gonna do Halloween Story today. And even though it was yesterday, you guys don't know that. And then I'm putting it up today. I'm gonna try and put all of them up. And then we'll be all cut up, and then we'll do today's for something else. We'll do, I don't know, but kind of behind, but we got that. All right, bye. Bye.